Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Phillips espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. Press play. This machine's a little different than a lot of machines in that usually when you press a button it just goes right to the shot, but in this one you have to select the drink you want and then you press play. So there's two button presses instead of one. So we get a nice shot of espresso. So thank you for pairing with Canon Coffee. Please check our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Thank you.